Hi, welcome to yet another video with Drive with Care. In this video we're going from Canterbury in Kent to Bridge in Kent. There's a little village called Bridge and it's just off the A2. So what's it like to drive through a little city? And it is a little city. It's not like... Well, here we go. This is what it's like. We've got a police car coming through, so make sure we give him lots of room. Off to an emergency. Yellow and red triangles, yellow and red squares. No, circles. I'll speak out the hazards as I see them. Traffic lights, crossing, cars going slow. We want to go through the Westgate Towers. Everyone's indicating. I am so pleased. Give way to my left, to my right. Pedestrians thinking about crossing, but they're waiting. So that's cool. Through the tower. There's a pedestrian zone ahead. You can't drive down there. Lots of people. .20-mile-an-hour zone. Car on my left approaching the junction. So they've lowered the footpath, the pavement, so there's no chance of anybody actually straying onto the road from the pavement, which is good. Roundabout ahead. I want to go straight on, so we will indicate when we get off the roundabout. Don't need to indicate on. Slipping onto the Reims Way. This is the Canterbury. You could almost class it as the M25 for Canterbury. It's the ring road that goes all the way around the city. Kind of a dual carriageway, but not with the 60-mile-an-hour, 70-mile-an-hour speed. You know, it's 30-mile-an-hour, so be careful. Got a pedestrian on my left. Is he considering past crossing? He's going to wait. Nice build up. So again, a big roundabout. Right hand lane is for going right. People would indicate. Straight across, so I only need to indicate off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cars. Only one indicated off, and that was the Fiesta. I am distressed. Right, I'm going in the right-hand lane because I want to come off this at the next roundabout, just round the bend. Look at the castle walls. The inner city walls, that used to be Canterbury in the old times, just that, inside with the cathedral. I love that we've still got those old structures. Right, I'm going right on this roundabout. It's all clear here. People notice of my indication. Clear to my right. And we go. Indicate off so those people know what I'm doing. Pedestrians on my left. Could wander into the road. Oops. There's a car coming out. Certain hazards. Make sure that you're aware that just because this is the main road does not mean someone won't be trying to join. You know, don't be oblivious to that fact. Red light. Applies handbrake. Sits in neutral.
Few moments later.
Okay, my lights are green. Don't like these electronic handbrakes, I'll tell you. I miss the old stick ones. Car going right, it disappears. The old Dover Road. joining Canterbury. Guess where? Dover. Got zebra crossing up here. Nobody waiting to cross. Pedestrian. The blue van, is that parked or is it coming out? It's a builder's van. They're obviously doing some work there. Car sneaking out. There's a car waiting at junction. Another set of traffic lights ahead with the bus. More pedestrians. Relatively hazard-free. No incidents. Just plenty of things to keep aware of.
346 minutes later.
And we're off. Oh, car turning right. That's one of my pet hates. People, you spend so long at traffic lights, and then when the lights change, people don't actually drive on. She could have come straight to this point here, rather than crawling along at 2 miles an hour. Just my opinion. I could be wrong. Traffic lights are green, into my lane. Right-hand lane goes right. Weight restrictions here. Holdover Road, traffic calmed area. So we will traverse these traffic calming measures with my wide SUV, which glides over them without hardly a bump at all. But I won't go faster than I need to. There's a reason there's traffic calming. Cars, but I think there's enough room for two. There is enough room for two. I don't know why they're thinking that they expect me not to join. There's enough room for two. Get a bus through there, but he's not letting me. So I will stop. Lovely French guy thanking me. So that first car in the white one didn't thank me. Maybe it's because, like the other section, I just stormed ahead, you know? It's like, get out of my way. Funeral car? Oops. That's what could happen if you don't drive with care. Last of the traffic calming measures. Up to the old gate. Oh, there is one more traffic measure. The old gate in roundabout. So again, I'm going straight across. And it's a strange one because it isn't straight across. Slightly off, but it is still straight. Indicate off to let the other cars know what I'm doing. And we are out of Canterbury, back into the countryside. Let's do 35 in a 60 zone. Yeah, that's right. I do despair. I really do. I don't understand it. Je ne comprends pas. Why? I want to flash him, you know? Oh, it's splitting into two, so we'll cruise out onto my lane. You know what I feel like doing is going in front of him and then going 20 miles an hour. Despair. El Despero. That's the A2. We're not going onto the A2, so I'll stay in this lane. Bridge. Oh, guess what? That guy behind me that I overtook, he's actually going out onto the A2. I wonder if he'll drive at 35 miles an hour now. Right, I'm going right at this T-junction. Two-way traffic signs. Lots of yellow bordered signposts to really let you know. Right, nothing to my right. Difficult to see on my left, but I can finally see nothing coming. Entering the 40 zone. So we're going to drive down now into the village of Bridge, which is haunted. Might have to do a haunted video of Kent. That would be interesting. And have conversations with people who have experienced something. Can't remember what the ghost is here. Something like a Roman chariot, something like that. So we go left at this junction. Get the indicators on. A bit blind. Okay, 30 zone, traffic island for traffic measures. Plenty of room to get in before the little Lupo or up gets here. Crossing, people approaching it. Are they going to cross? No, they're walking straight on. I anticipated that they might cross, that's why I slowed down. You can never tell. Cars on the right. I see a big Luton van coming. Another zebra crossing. What a quaint little village. Bridge. And we're out of the village. Well, I was going to say I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did, but actually I didn't enjoy that one. I didn't enjoy the speed bump area, and I didn't enjoy that guy driving slower than he needed to be on his jolly jaunt. But that's life. That's what we experience on these roads. Hey ho, chalk it up to experience. I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching and bearing with, and I will say bye for now, I guess. Did I say that already? I'm losing the plot. Have a look at the other video. I'll put a link to driving into Canterbury. I've been out and about today. Bye for now. Drive with care.